Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we saw how others adjust their behavior based on your reactions. Expectations form, patterns stabilize. Now we move further. Because once behavior adjusts, something begins to separate. One side starts doing more. And here's the question guiding this lesson. How does interaction turn into imbalance of investment? It does not start with something obvious. It starts with small differences. One person replies faster, thinks more, initiates more, adjusts more. Each action seems minor, but they accumulate. Investment is not only time, it is attention, emotional energy, mental space. The more one person thinks, reacts, and adjusts, the more they are investing, even if nothing visible changes. On the surface, everything can look balanced. Messages go both ways. Conversations continue. Interaction seems mutual. But internally, the levels of investment are not the same. The more one person invests, the more they begin to need a return. Attention creates expectation. Effort creates desire for response, and that need increases future investment. Compare two people in the same interaction. One spends little energy and moves on. The other continues thinking, analyzing, waiting. The external exchange is equal. The internal cost is not. You see this everywhere, in relationships, where one person becomes more emotionally involved, at work, where one person puts in more effort to maintain position, in friendships, where one side invests more attention. In each case, imbalance forms quietly. So return to the question, how does imbalance of investment form? Over the next few days, observe where more energy is being spent, not just in actions, but in thoughts. Who thinks more? Who waits more? Who adjusts more? Because imbalance does not start when someone gives more visibly. It starts when one person carries more internally. In the next lesson, we move into something even more revealing, how this imbalance begins to create emotional dependence on one side.